Presiding Officer. Will the Minister make a statement on ambulance services in Blaenau Gwent?
The Welsh Ambulance Service continues to deliver a safe and timely service to the people of Blaenau Gwent. In April this year, 71.2% of emergency responses to Red Cross within Iron Bevan arrived within the 8-minute target, with a median response time of just 5 minutes and 38 seconds.
Thank you very much, Minister. I think all of us recognise the hard work that goes in from paramedics to ensure that people do feel and are safe in their homes. We also know that some calls are delayed, particularly for those of amber and green calls. And we also know that there are some significant issues which prevent the ambulance service operating efficiently. I'm thinking particularly of the handovers in hospitals, and you will have seen some reports about that in the press and the media earlier this week. We also know from the statistics that you yourself have published that something like 21,000 hours was lost in the first quarter of this year in terms of ambulance handovers at hospitals. Now, we know we have very hard-working staff, both in A&E, which feel under enormous pressure because of the pressures on that service, and we also know that ambulance workers are working at capacity as well. So it appears to me that we have a system where we have two groups of people who are working extraordinarily hard to keep us safe and to provide us with the services we need, but the system itself seems to be preventing them from always doing that. Minister, would you undertake to look again, and I know we've discussed this before, but would you look again at the way in which ambulance handovers at A&Es are operated to ensure that ambulances are able to meet, I think it's a 15-minute target, but you've established for them, and able to spend more time providing the service and less time at handovers?